Heart that I melted, I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back.